Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the RX-79G ground unit full suit build series part 2. Today we're going to work on welding the lower abs to the front of the chest and also to the back abs to the back part of the back. And also I may weld the backpack to the back of the chest. And I'm also going to work on adding the lanyards to the shoulders, so that's going to connect to the biceps. And I'm also going to try to see if I can make this work. This bicep cover goes on the inside like this, and I have to make sure that I can still wear the shoulder and bicep with this part attached. So let's get working. Okay, so I have all the waist pieces connected together. They're all connected together by straps and buckles, and I have suspenders over top that connect to the front to hold those up. And for the forearms to the biceps, I attached buckles to that. And the biceps to the shoulders, I have a lanyard glued on the inside of the shoulder part here with this part here which will connect to the metal ring here. So then that would just hold that up. And also I cut the I cut about 1 inch off of the height on these thigh pieces so it fits better, because before they were pushing up too high, and if I added the boot, it was just going to push it up even higher. Hopefully this should be good enough for the part. Okay, so that's all I have for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.